Hi, I'm Constable Jess, and I'm here at YouthLink in the Enbridge Healthy Relationships section. Here in this section, we have students come sit at the table and talk about scenarios that are playing out. These scenarios address healthy or unhealthy ways of dealing with conflict. The next scenario we're going to show is called special photo. I always tell students this is kind of awkward and it might be kind of funny, but this brings up a really important issue that a lot of students are facing nowadays, and it's a great conversation starter to a kind of an uncomfortable topic.
Hey, beautiful. You look great at school today.
Aw, that's so sweet.
I was thinking, why don't you send me a special picture? You know, then I can see you whenever I want.
But you already have lots of pictures of me.
Well, yeah, but I was talking about a different kind of photo. A special photo, one just for me. I promise I won't show anyone. It'll be our little secret.
Oh, that kind of photo? I don't know. How can you be sure no one else will see it?
You know I love you and think you're totally hot. You don't need to be so frigid. Do I need to start looking for your new girlfriend or something?
No, I love you too. Just let me think about it, okay?
Don't take too long, though.
So in this scenario, we always ask, is this a healthy relationship? And there's a lot of pressure coming from the boyfriend to the girlfriend. There's threats of ending the relationship if she doesn't send him a photo. And then there's the other issue of this photo will likely be circulated or potentially be circulated to many people. That brings us to another point, and that possession of a photograph like this can have legal consequences, such as possession of child pornography and distribution of child pornography. And it's a very important thing to bring up with our young people because they sometimes don't understand the consequences of sending an image like this. Another good thing you can do if your teen or your student finds themselves in a situation like this is encourage them to talk to a safe and trusted adult. That can be someone like your parent, a sibling, a grandparent, a coach, a teacher, or a police officer. Stay tuned for more videos from our Healthy Relationships section.